Wait guys, see this. I just create my own mask design. You can see this guys, okay, and I'm getting good amount of money by just dragging drop these things. I'll show you a preview what I have created. You can see guys, see this, okay, absolutely free of cost, and it's on my store, free of cost on my store, okay, just in few clicks. How can I do it? Just click on this done button and you can see guys, if I sell this thing, sell this product, I get this thing. No hosting charges, nothing, free of cost. How to create your own online store and getting paid a good amount of money from this website. Watch along this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money from this website. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just selling your products on this store, okay, free of cost guys. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. How you can earn money by just creating your store online, by selling masks, by selling your t-shirts and lots of accessories. You can see guys, okay, face shield also you can sell, okay. So various kind of products guys, various kind of products. I'll show you step by step, so watch along this video guys, from registration to open your store. I'll show you step by step how you yourself can do and become independent while earning money online. Okay guys, so let's begin. So I just need to sign up first, okay guys, I just need to sign in first. So I just click on this sign in, okay, and in this sign in you can see create new account, okay, just need to click on this create new account, okay. And guys, you can continue with Google and Facebook as well, okay, but I'll show you step by step to enter your mail ID and your password, okay. So I just quickly do the registration, okay. So enter my password, okay, just click on this create new account, okay, and just click on this continue button guys, and you are good to go. So your online store is just some steps away, okay guys. So what you can do on this, okay, you just come up on your profile section, okay, see this guys, okay, and you can see guys, my profile is not completed, okay. So what I need to do, I just complete my profile, okay. You can see guys, I need to do a lot of things. You can see I need to add lot of my first name, my last name, my taglines, okay. So I quickly do it, okay. I just quickly enter my details, okay, my first name, okay, my last name, taglines guys, designer, okay, and give some small introduction about you. I am a professional designer, okay. You are good in that guys, okay. About yourself, okay, how you can do it, okay. Just give a brief description about yourself and you are good to go, okay. So just add a banner, okay, whatever picture that you can take from your mobile phone, okay, or your laptop. So for demo I just show you a small, okay, picture, okay. So this is a picture that I have shown you. Just click on this thing and just select and just click on this, okay. So this is a banner that is created, okay. Your gender, your date of birth, okay, okay. I just click on this, just leave this thing blank, enter your city and okay, display on my profile, and just click on this submit, okay, and your changes are saved, okay guys. So this is your public profile guys that you have created, and I just want to tell you that guys, you can set up your profile image, okay. Just click on this thing and set up your profile image. So I'll quickly do it, okay guys. So it will do some loading, okay. okay. So I'll do it later on, guys, okay, because you all know these things, how to do it, okay. I'm not wasting my time on such kind of things, okay. So I just need to open my public store. So what should I do? Okay, so just come up in this store, okay, just come up in the stores and open a new store. Just click on this open a new store, okay. And for this, guys, what you need to do, you just need to continue this, okay. Just click on this continue button, and I just need to first verify my email ID. So I just request a message on my mail ID, okay. So this is my mail ID, and confirmation link, you can see a confirmation link is on. So I just need to confirm my email ID. So that, guys, confirmation is done, verification is done. On click on OK. Okay, so give a store name, guys. Give a store name, whatever your store name is. Okay, let me just give a store name. Let us suppose, guys, ABC store. Okay, ABC underscore store. Okay, and it's available. Oh, store. Okay, so this specified store is already used. OMG, ABCD. Okay, available. Yeah. So I have taken this for demo purpose. I'll show you guys. Okay, don't worry about it. Just click on this create store and make this store private. No, I don't want to make this store private, and just give a same thing. Okay, taglines that designer mask. Okay, designer products, designer t-shirt. Okay, these are certain taglines. Okay, I am a professional. This store. So we have to give details about this store. So ABCD, whatever your store name is, okay, is a store where you can buy great designer products at 10% discount. Okay, guys, it's a technique to use, okay, to generate a traffic. So you can give your own description, what is your store, what is it's all about. So for demo purpose, I'll just show you guys, okay, what you need to enter. Okay, just same, I just gave this thing to my store. Okay, so this is my banner. So masks, okay, and whatever t-shirts. Okay, so these are certain tags that you can give. Location, locality, we all know this thing, and just click on this submit button. Okay, and your store is ready, guys. Okay, your store is ready. Okay, so this is your store, guys. Okay, I can show you your store. Okay, just click on this view your public store. Okay, you can see, guys, this is my store. See this? This is my store. Okay, you can give a particular image, okay, guys, to that to your store. So what all products that you can give, guys? Okay, so what all products that you can give? Wait a second. So just click on this products. Okay, and I can see some of the popular products. You can see, guys, you just need to refresh it. So let us suppose this is my product. Okay, so if I want to add some image, or if I want to add some designs to this, so what I need to do, just click on this add image. Okay, and you can design your own image. You can see, guys, you can select icons. Okay, I can specify this icon as well. Just click on this icon and you can design it. Okay, you can adjust the, you can see icon. I can even do it this thing. Okay, just for a demo purpose, I'll just show you guys. You can see. okay, and I can preview. You can just bring your cursor, okay, to this and just click on this cursor and you can see, guys. Okay, so this is my phone that I've created for my online store. Okay, just click on this done button and this is your design, guys. Okay, so you can see it's obvious, guys, pretty obvious. You can see how easy it is to create your own products, okay, and sell it on your product on your store. Okay, you can reach your store by the just hover over the store button and you can see it. Okay, you can see. Okay, so what type of things I can do it. Okay, so there are lots and lots of products that you can see, guys. Okay, even you can select your own. You can see, guys, create your own face mask. I just click on this face mask, okay, and you can do some customization on these face masks as well. Okay, so just click on this add image, select your mask and just do the needful. Okay, just add some, you can add some borders as well. You can see, guys, borders. Okay, you can add some borders as well. Okay, so if I just do some bordering part, okay, you can see this. Okay, a border that I have added. I'm very bad in designing, guys. You are good in that, I hope so. Okay, you can see, and it's very easy, guys, very easy. You yourself can do it very easily. You can see, guys. Okay, so this is a design that you can create. Okay, so just click on this done button and that's it, what you can do. That's simple, guys, and you are getting shared for that. Okay, I just create lots and lots of products. You can see, you can see the others designs as well, which will give you an insight that how to design my own products as well on this website. Okay, you can create A to Z designs from this. Okay, and that's it, guys. Okay, that's it. You can see my designs are ready. Okay, so from that you can see, guys, from that you can see, just click on this back, and if my product is sold, okay, sold, so 50% share I get and 50% this website will take. Okay, so this is how easy it is. Okay, this is how it's easy, very easy, guys. You can see it's genuine store and not even a single penny from my pocket is spent, and I can do it lot of things. Okay, you just need to add some collections as well. Okay, add some collections, add some your own designs. You can day by day your followers and all are added. Okay, so click on this customize your profile if there is some customization needed, so make it as it is and just click on this submit. Okay, so everything is done, guys. Okay, so guys, one more thing I just want to tell you that if you want to customize your designs and want to sell it on your store, what type of things that you can do. Okay, you just click on the mask that you want to create. Okay, just click on this add image. Okay, and you can upload whatever image that you can. Okay, just click on this upload image. Okay, guys, and you can select whatever image you have. Okay, so let us suppose, guys, I have this image. Okay, I just preview this. You can see this is my image. Okay, so I just show you a demo. That's only what I do. Okay, and just click on this sell it. Okay, so this is my image. Okay, and based upon that, okay, just candy mask. Okay, just give a small description. Just click on this. Just click on this. Okay, and say that it's a design of candy. So guys, you can give a better description than me. Okay, you are good in that, I know. You can say mask tags. Okay, I just gave candy. Okay, so what type of things you can see, guys, you can see the royalty percentage, 5% price of the product, and royalty you will make is 0.90. okay, so the royalty price that you can get. Okay, just click on this PG13. okay, and just click on this post. You can see, guys, note that it will take up to 24 hours for your product to appear in your search results. Okay, just click on this OK, so that, guys, your product will be in approval. Okay, so your product image should be non-copyright image. Okay, guys, so how to find a non-copyright image? So just come up on this Unsplash and you can find great designs. You can see, guys, this design mask, everyone wants it. Okay, you can see various kind of textures, various kind of designs that you can upload and sell on this platform. You can see this, guys, and it's ultimately free of cost. Okay, just come up and don't worry, guys, every website link is in my description box. You can just go on this website and just download it. Okay, so that you are not facing any problem in any kind of thing. Okay, so this is easy, guys. Okay, this is very easy, very obvious thing. You can also do it, create your own designs. Okay, and you can also upload your own designs as well on this website. Okay, so you can also update it, create it, upload it. Okay, so that there is always some small things that you can do. Okay, guys, and 50% share this website will take, and 50% you will get from this website. So absolutely free of cost, not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend, and you can create lot of designs from this website. Okay, you can see, guys, shield, you can also create a shield. Okay, you can also create a shield for your you can see, you can also create it. Okay, you can see, so on the design section I have to get. Okay, so this is very easy, guys. Okay, you can see, edit your design and you are good to go. Okay, now you can do it, guys. It's absolutely done. Create some icons and all, and you are good to go. Okay, guys, so I hope you like this video, guys. Just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that there is always a motivation to give you best content, guys. If you like these videos, guys, just write down on the comment section that whatever your niche is, I just gave you the best content. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.